Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to download Microsoft Teams on your laptop. So this is on my Windows laptop, and whether it is on Windows 10 or 11, you can easily download Microsoft Teams and install it on your device. And for to do that, I'm not going to open any browser or something like that, or external browser or external websites, but right from Microsoft Store, I want to download and show you. Click on this Windows symbol and open Microsoft Store here. Double click on this. If it is not available here, you can search like Microsoft Store here. Okay, this is a app just like Play Store for Android mobiles, Microsoft Store which is for laptop. So here we'll get products about games or apps or some useful applications or games or softwares here directly. So in the Microsoft stores, we need to search as Microsoft Teams, and this is official. Okay, I'm just searching as Microsoft Teams. See here, if you observe, Microsoft Teams provided and updated by Microsoft Corporation. So this is from the official Microsoft. So it is getting downloaded. Yes, it is being installed on my computer. Once the installation is done, I'll show you. Okay, see here the installation has been completed. So what I need to do is again I need to click on the start and search for the app directly here as it is already installed. So see here Microsoft Teams, I need to double click on it so that it gets open. So this is how easily you can download and install Microsoft Teams on your computer. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.